Hey, what's up? Welcome back to the channel Auto Care Secret. Your engine hesitates. Fuel economy drops. The check engine light keeps coming back. Then the shop hits you with it. $200 to replace your MAF sensor. Here's the truth most people don't hear. In many cases, your mass airflow sensor isn't dead. It's just dirty. And today, I'll walk you through 10 critical steps to clean your MAF sensor the smart, methodical way, safely, correctly, and for under $10 a home. And don't skip step 8. It goes against what parts stores push, and it can save you from destroying a perfectly good sensor. Number 1. The wrong cleaner destroys sensors. This is where most people mess up immediately. They grab whatever spray says electronic cleaner, or worse, brake cleaner, and assume it's fine. It's not. Many general-purpose cleaners leave behind residue or contain aggressive solvents. That residue coats the delicate hot wire element inside the MAF sensor. Once coated, airflow readings become inaccurate. Your ECU adjusts fuel incorrectly. Performance drops. You need a true MAF-specific cleaner, like CRC Mass Airflow Sensor Cleaner, or an equivalent that guarantees zero residue. It costs a few dollars more than generic cleaner, but that extra $3 can save a $200 to $300 replacement. But even with the correct cleaner, most people still apply it wrong. Number 2. Spray angle matters more than you think. Inside the MAF sensor is an ultra-thin sensing wire, sometimes thinner than human hair. If you blast it directly with high-pressure spray, you can bend or snap it instantly. Hold the can about 4 to 6 inches away. Spray at roughly a 45 degrees angle. Spray parallel to the wire, never straight at it. Use short, controlled bursts. Think of it like rinsing a spider web without tearing it. Gentle, controlled, patient, but technique alone won't save you if you rush the next step. Number 3. Drying time is critical. Most guides say, wait 5 minutes. That's not enough. Residual solvent trapped inside the housing can trigger a fault code once reinstalled. Minimum drying time, 15 to 20 minutes. Better method, 30 minutes minimum. Best method, let it dry overnight in a clean, dust-free area. Never use heat guns. Never use hair dryers. Never rush it. Even perfectly clean sensors fail when reinstalled too soon. But here's what most people completely ignore. Number 4. Clean the intake tube too. You can clean the sensor perfectly and still have problems. Why? Because the intake tube it sits in is coated with oil residue and dust. Within days, that contamination transfers right back onto the sensor. Before reinstalling, wipe down the entire intake tube. Use isopropyl alcohol. Use a lint-free cloth. This 3-minute step can double the time between cleanings. Cleaning the sensor without cleaning the environment around it is pointless. Now here's something that might surprise you. Number 5. Stop removing it too often. Overhandling causes damage. Many people pull and clean their MAF sensor every few months, just in case. That actually increases risk. For most vehicles, clean every 30,000 miles, or only when clear symptoms appear. Constant removal stresses a connector, gasket, and mounting points. Sometimes the best maintenance is leaving it alone. But here's the real hidden cause many people ignore. Number 6. Your air filter might be the problem. Oil performance air filters are a major reason MAF sensors get dirty. That oil mist travels through the intake and coats the sensor wire. Factory paper filters are designed to trap debris efficiently, protect the MAF element, maintain proper airflow balance. Sure, that aftermarket filter might promise 2 to 3 extra horsepower, but is that worth risking a $250 sensor? Stick with quality paper filters and replace them at proper intervals. Now, let's talk about something almost nobody mentions. Number 7. Temperature affects cleaning results. Ambient temperature changes everything. Too cold, solvent won't evaporate fully. Residue may remain. Too hot, cleaner evaporates before dissolving contamination. Ideal cleaning temperature, 60 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 15 to 27 degrees Celsius. If your garage is freezing, bring the sensor indoors and let it reach room temperature before cleaning. Environmental control makes a real difference. Now here's the step most people get completely wrong. Number 8. Never use compressed air. This one destroys more sensors than bag cleaner. Compressed air can generate static electricity, damage sensitive electronics, force moisture into the housing, physically damage the sensing wire. Even if your air compressor has a dryer, microscopic moisture can remain. Do not blow it dry. Do not assist evaporation. Let air dry naturally. Always. I learned this expensive way, and it cost me a sensor. But even if your sensor is spotless, one overlooked detail can still cause issues. Number 9. Inspect the connector pins. The electrical connector is just as important as the sensor itself. Problems you might find: corrosion, dirt buildup, slightly bent pins, loose terminal fit. Spray electrical contact cleaner on the connector, not the sensor wire. Let it dry fully. Inspect each pin carefully. A slightly bent pin can cause intermittent rough idle and fuel trim issues, identical to a dirty sensor. Sometimes the sensor isn't the problem at all, which brings us to the most important lesson. Number 10. Know when not to clean. MAF symptoms can mimic vacuum leaks, failing oxygen sensors, dirty throttle bodies, cracked intake hoses. Before cleaning, scan for engine codes. Check live MAF data. Inspect for vacuum leaks. Look for visible contamination. If the sensor looks relatively clean and live data readings are normal, stop. Don't clean a healthy sensor trying to fix a different problem. True contamination usually appears as dark film or residue on the sensing element. Cleaning a good sensor won't fix a vacuum leak. A dirty MAF sensor can absolutely cause hesitation, poor fuel economy, rough idle, check engine lights. But replacing it should be your last step, not your first. Use the right cleaner. Spray correctly. Be patient with drying. Avoid compressed air. Check the connector. And diagnose properly before touching anything. Do it right, and you can restore performance for less than $10. Do it wrong, and you'll be buying a new sensor. Simple choice. If this video saved you money, saved your engine, or taught you something new, make sure you hit that like button and share it with someone who needs it. Because here at Auto Care Secret, we don't guess, we diagnose. We don't replace parts blindly, we fix the real problem. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss the next hidden fix, maintenance trick, or money-saving repair guide. This is Auto Care Secret, where the secrets mechanics don't tell you become your advantage. See you in the next one.